basically I had come here to give a representation to the Chief Secretary regarding the complaint which we have lodged. I have lodged against Churchill Brothers Private Limited. The fraudulently way he has misused the funds of the government by providing false information. Then last 2 दिसान his whole स्कॅम त्याने जो तयार केला. फुटबॉलाच्या नावार जे पैसे उबारल्या without having anything with him, neither a company, neither having utilization certificate given, the way he has utilized money from Goa Football Development Corporation, JFDC, or from SEG. आज सगळे हे जे हांवें पॉयंट्स काडिल्ले and the whole thing which was exposed as far as scam is concerned, surprisingly the government is acting जशें म्हजे कलिग्स म्हणटा ते 3 माकोड आसता. दोळे दापिल्लो, तोंड दापिल्लें आनी कान दापिल्लो. मोनो, कुड्डो आनी बेड्डो. सद्या सरकारान ती भुमिका घेतिल्ली आसा where they are not able to talk on the subject which we had raised. I had told about this thing and I was expecting a immediate action from the Chief Minister, who always is talking about zero tolerance to corruption. But this is a classic case where the Chief Minister is not even, now the government has reverted back on this case, for which I thought it is deemed fit to represent it officially by a proper file. So the file with all details, including all the information that was received regarding this particular misappropriation of funds and the scam with Churchill Brothers and Churchill Brothers involved, तो आज Chief Secretary कडे दिल्ले आसा. That representation दिवपाक आयिल्लो with a request that immediate action be taken, that there are apprehensions that another 1 crore is being supposed to be given by May 8th by SEG in a time when we all are running. आमचे डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स बंद जाल्ले आसा, कामां बंद जाल्लीं आसा, रस्त्याची कामां कमी जाल्लीं आसा आनी ऑस्टेरिटी मेजर्स सरकार स्वता उलयता. ह्या उलयता आसतना फुडले पयशे पयले न दिवप आनी फाटले पयशे परत रिकवर करप ही भुमिका सरकारान घेतली. वील ऑल्सो हेल्प अ लॉंग वे टू एन्श्युअर दॅट अ कोवीड रिलीफ फंडाकूय पयशे मेळटले इफ दीस मनी कम्स बॅक.